Scanning started. Obstacle ahead, 0.5 meters. Chair, hard right, 1.5 meters. Approaching. Obstacle ahead, 0.5 meters. Chair, hard right, 2 meters. Approaching. Door, hard left, 1.5 meters. Approaching. Obstacle ahead, 0.5 meters. Warning. Obstacle ahead, 0.5 meters. Obstacle ahead, 3 feet. Obstacle ahead, 3 feet. 2 feet. Warning. Stairs, 2 feet. Warning. Coffee table, 2 feet. Chair, right, 6 feet. Approaching. Obstacle ahead, 3 feet. Warning. Coffee table, 3 feet. Warning. Door, 2 feet. Obstacle ahead. Scanning stopped. Warning. Car, 1.0 meters. Obstacle ahead, 0.5 meters. Warning. Car, 1. Obstacle ahead, 0.5 meters. Obstacle ahead, 0.5 meters. Approaching. Truck, ahead, 5 meters. Car, right, 4 meters. Approaching. Obstacle ahead, 0. Scanning stopped.